What's going on, y'all? So I'm going to show you a real quick and easy way to solder these LED strips, because they can be kind of a pain when you're doing it. So what you're going to want to do is put some solder on it. I know it's not focusing well, but I'm only wanting this one to light red, so I already did this one, and I just put some solder on the positive end that I need, and then also some solder on the wire. And then all you got to do now, get one of these little clamp guys, these helping hands I think they're called, or something like that. Then take your LED strip. I know it's not looking too good on the camera. Take your LED strip, just put it in there for a second. But then the most important part is that you take this wire, you put it on top of the solder, bear with me, and you just clamp it like that. So the alligator clamp is holding it down, it's pressing them together, it wants it to happen, and then you just hold it with the soldering iron. You see how it just sinks into place. It's done. And that's a perfect connection. Obviously not perfect at all, but I mean, I actually pulled those pretty dang hard. I thought they were going to come off, but they didn't. That, in my opinion, is the best way, because it's as if you're pressing the wire down on it, but you're not. So it works really, really well. And also another little tip that's somewhat related is I didn't know how long I needed each of these wires to be, because I'm hooking up to a two-way switch, not this one. That's one pull on my car, and I didn't remember if it was positive going in, so I didn't know how long I needed the wires on the positive and negative, so I just soldered the same length of wire on there without making any cuts. So then when I go in, I could cut it 1 inch long and have that other piece be, say, 2 feet, or I could cut them both to be 1 foot. And it's just a neat way to have whatever wire amount you need before you cut it and mess it up. Peace out.